So Tesco has managed to dodge a bullet and avoid a criminal prosecution by agreeing to pay a fine of £129 million as part of a Deferred Prosecution Agreement with the Serious Fraud Office for its 2014 false accounting scandal, as well as compensate investors by an estimated £90 million, including interest, for those who bought Tesco shares on the basis of false accounting in 2014. Thus, Tesco just took a hit of approximately £220 million, which is about half what it could have been, with some estimates ranging as high as £500 million. Clearly, the SFO took Tesco's distressed state into consideration, as the supermarket giant has been in meltdown, stock price having collapsed by 60% from its high and having lost £10 billion in annual revenues to its competitors, and its post-tax profits of 2016 coming in at just £129 million. Yes, that's right, the SFO fined Tesco the whole of its profits for 2016. Now the big question mark is, are Tesco's management as naive as they were stupid to have thought they could have gotten away with fraud, when police agencies spend millions of pounds investigating an organisation as large as Tesco, peeling away layer after layer of the Tesco onion? Then whilst the accounting fraud may have been settled, however, the police may not be quite done with Tesco just yet. So police resources having been committed to investigating Tesco, which involves covert surveillance, perhaps the police even using their favourite of all tools to hurry investigations along, i.e. entrapment, which means Tesco management and staff would be very naive to imagine that the police are done with Tesco. So we may be hearing new bad news headlines of police investigations in the future, whilst in the meantime the police continues with their evidence gathering and entrapment that could extend far beyond the original fraud investigation, from head office to the regionals right down to individual stores. So if I was a Tesco worker, I would be careful of not falling for police entrapment. As for Tesco customers, well, who knows how far this could go. Perhaps customers should be on the lookout for anomalous behaviour, such as persons squatting for extended periods of time in virtually every other aisle. And where shopping at Tesco is concerned, well, Tesco has repeatedly demonstrated that Tesco just cannot be trusted, from the BBC's recent investigation into fake shelf prices that failed to convert at checkouts, to now the £220 million bill that customers will have to pick up in higher prices. So no, I don't shop at Tesco's anymore, and I used to be a regular £200 per trip shopper. Though there could be a silver lining for Tesco and other British retailers, which is that when Brexit negotiations inevitably break down in acrimony, then Britain shoppers could start to realise that the Aldi and Lidl discounters are German companies. So be encouraged to shop at British stores instead. The Tesco share price trading at £1.85 at less than 50% of its 2013 high. That's a 50% loss of stock market value over the past 4 years, valuing the supermarket giant today at approximately £15 billion. And despite the fine and investor compensation coming in much lower than expected, nevertheless the shares still fail to even bounce on a short-term basis.